Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today I'm going to show you the Fire and Ice Stunt playset by Spin Master Monster Jam. It includes four of the Fire and Ice exclusive trucks. For the variant collectors, these are different besides the Blue Thunder, so 3 new variations of the Fire and Ice trucks. You can also see the playset is the same as the Son of Digger, which was the Champ Ramp Freestyle set way back early in January, and I think it carried up till about mid-year. Now we have the Fire and Ice playset, a re-edition of the Son of Digger, and we also have some new trophies and stuff inside. So I'm going to open this up and we'll take a close look at all the things included inside. But before I do that, I want to show you guys the packaging. Here's the back of the box. You can see the playset here. And then we have some stuff about the playset, big air, backflip. We have different things to do with it. And then you can see the rest of the stuff. So I'm going to open it up now and we'll take a look at all the components of the playset. So here are all of the components of the playset. You can see these are the 4 exclusive trucks to the set. Although they're not named as exclusive like normal playsets would say exclusive right here, they are exclusive if you are a variation collector, or in this matter, actually these are different decos for these trucks. They're not totally variations, they're actually pretty much updates to the original looks of the trucks. So I'll go one by one through the trucks real quick. This is actually the unrevised edition of the Gravedigger Fire. This was not supposed to be released. I know that the singles pictures from Walmart.com way earlier in the year before these were coming out, showed the older edition of Gravedigger Fire. You can see the size down Gravedigger logo, incorrect decal sizing, and the old ghost face. Also some white hue around some of the flames and stuff. And there's a little bit of a difference here. Up here, yellow, bad to the bone, and a little slightly better yellow headlight sockets. So that's the unrevised one that comes with the playset. Then we have the one from the singles earlier in the year, which has the better ghost sized up logo, correct sizing on the actual decals. Some red around the bad to the bone. A little less though on the yellow, or absolutely none on mine at least, with the headlight sockets. But yeah, so that's the difference in the Gravedigger. Also, it has the modern day frame, the more updated one with the closed Monster Jam logo instead of the open cradle. And then we have Son of Digger Fire, which this is the singles one. Notice the flame pattern on the roof. This is the one from the playset, a short flame pattern like the real truck. So they changed that, and they also sized up the skull and the logo. And probably a slightly better change in the graphics quality. I'm not sure about the front end, but it looks a little more orange to me, and a little more orange on the flames as well. And also the newer cradle edition. And actually slightly better graphics quality on the side panels. You can see the logo is much better. So that's Son of Digger. And then we have the Soldier Fortune, which is one of the most substantial updates. A lot of good corrections here. They did make the Monster Jam Ice logo cleaner. Let me try to zoom in. Doing this with one hand is a little difficult. I got to get a tripod at some point, but you can see the Monster Jam Ice logo. And on the fender here, they finally printed camo. They have not done that for the normal Soldier Fortune yet, but I hope they do. They also fixed up the back tailgate. I'll show you guys a comparison to the original one they printed here. They sized up the Soldier Fortune logo, and it has the new cradle. And I think that's about it with the updates for that. So here's the original one from the singles earlier. The fender not printed on, the Soldier Fortune Ice logo. If you didn't notice how small it was before, now you can notice the difference. Also, it's a little more cleaner to the original or actual logo. Also, the windows, this is the playset one. It's clear down here and on the top. And on the original one, it's matted or frosted on the top portion and back, but not the front. And also, here's the printing that I was talking about. This is the original one from the singles, printed on in the back like the real truck now. So this is a very good update for the Soldier Fortune Ice. And we also have the Blue Thunder, which doesn't feature much new stuff about it. I don't think anything actually besides the Monster Jam logo has been made a little bit clearer. So that's Blue Thunder. And now I'll show you guys the playset. So it does feature 3 blue crush cars, all the same mold. We have the World Finals trophy. We also have 2 backflip containers that you could use with your Monster Dirt sets. Actually, in fact, you could use these also with Monster Dirt sets. And then you can mold backflip ramps with the Monster Dirt out of those. Here's the playset itself, a recolor of the Son of Digger playset. You can see it has icy colors, orange for fire and a little bit of red, and even a black and orange ramp. It also has one of these launcher ramps, which can be used with other play sets, and you can use the other play set launchers with this play set. It features stickers that you can put on, fire stickers only, and a blue setup with some orange tones and red. And this is your backflip ramp. This is the corkscrew slash kind of a skate park kind of style ramp. And this one kind of also the same thing. And you have a center ramp with the canopy. So I'm going to try to do this with the best I can with one hand, but this is the backflip. And you can see it does a pretty good job of doing a backflip. Actually, that was a perfect backflip right there. And then if I do the that's what I meant by the skate park style ramp. That's actually pretty cool. And then we have the another kind of trick. So it's a great stunt set. It's made by the makers of Tech Deck, the designers for the playsets for Tech Deck, I believe. So it's kind of very similar to their style playset. So you're doing kind of a skate park feel. And then here's the canopy jump, and it pretty much launches it all the way across the floor. And then we'll do the other side. Hopefully I have enough room for this. So if I launch it, it just pretty much does a good jump, some good hang time there with that jump. So that's pretty much the basic layout of the playset. You guys can set up your other playsets and kind of combine them together with different jumps. You can even add monster dirt to them. But this is the basic playset setup here for the Fire and Ice stunt set. So this playset is $25 at Walmart stores only. I'm not sure if it's going international, but by seeing the packaging with all these different languages, I'm sure that it probably will at some point. So be on the lookout if you guys are interested for this playset. Again, it has some new trucks inside of it with variations that we have not seen before. My personal favorite is the updated Soldier Fortune Ice, because this is one of my favorite ice trucks and it looks awesome. So that has been the review of the Fire and Ice stunt set by Spin Master Monster Jam, and I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan of Monster Jam OCD, signing out.